Grace and peace, everybody. So good to see you. So good to see you. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I am going to rejoice and be glad in it, despite what the enemy is doing, despite what's going on in this world, despite all of the disappointments, despite all of the warfare, the battles, the spiritual battles, the emotional battles, the physical battles. Oh my God. We as a people are going through so much right now. But don't lose heart. Don't lose heart, because the Lord was saying to me this week that the season of Job, the Job season, is almost over. And you know, just like Job, he was wondering, well, God, what did I do to deserve this? God, what in the world is going on? God, I mean, you couldn't rescue me out of this? You couldn't stop this from happening to me? I mean, you know, are you going to make my enemies overtake me? Are you going to make life happen to me? And the answer is, God is righteous and just in all things, because we have no idea, even as bad as this is, we have no idea what He has been saving us from. We have no idea what He was stopping and putting in the way. And what God has done for a lot of us is that He's given us the lesser of two evils. Because it's either you are going through this right now, or you are going to go through something else that was much worse. And God gave you the lesser so that you could thrive and survive through it. I want to encourage you today in this motivational minute, in this ministry moment, that God is still in control. And God still hears, God sees, God knows. Oh my gosh. He knows the pain. He knows the struggle. He's rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Isaiah 61 says, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me to proclaim the good news and to let the captives know that they are free. And there is freedom for you. It also says that He's going to give you beauty for your ashes, and the oil of joy instead of mourning, and a garment of praise to replace your garment of despair. It may not seem that way right now. I mean, for many of us, we've gone through something absolutely traumatic. And then there is word that there is another flood coming, another hurricane coming, another calamity coming. But God is going to have you survive through that, just as He has let you survive through the one that just passed. And with each and every time that the enemy attacks you and your life and your resources, it has made you stronger. It has made you more resourceful. It has made you wiser. It has made you, to be a master of all things. It has made you to be able to know how to make accommodations and substitutions and things you never had to do before. You learned how to do them in this season. And it is good for you. This is good training ground. Because only the strong is going to survive in this season. Do not charge God foolishly for the things that are happening. Do not look at God and be upset with God and curse God and die, as Job's friends was telling him to do, to make life easier for himself. Because what you are doing, your posture in your time of warfare is what's going to make the difference. Will you fold? Will you flounder? Will you blunder? Will you fail? Will you falter? Or will you stand strong like cedar trees? Will you praise God through every circumstance? Will you love God and believe God even when you don't see Him coming, knowing that He is on the way yet and still? This is the posture God needs us. And it takes practice. It takes practice. And God is going to do that for us. God is going to do it for us. God is going to do it with us. I'm standing with you because I'm believing God for some things too. I'm believing God for this storm to be over. Not just the physical storm. That is over. Even though another one is coming. But the spiritual storm still rages. And God is the master and the captain of the ship during this time. Please believe me when I tell you. Your Job season is almost at its end. Hold on just a little bit more, a little little bit longer, endure a little bit more, and keep